everybody, it's Dave Dunbar from General Pipe Cleaners with a few words about our closet augers. You know, General likes to think we make the best closet augers in the world, and this will prove it. If I take this and tie it in a knot, and pull on it as hard as I can't kink it. No other closet auger in the world can actually be subjected to this and survive. Okay, so if you're going to try this with a competitive brand, make sure that you already own it. So I take this apart, and the cable's perfect. So it's very, very flexible. I can tie it in a knot, and yet it's very, very strong. That makes it able to survive the back end of a toilet that has a lot of twists and turns, and yet might encounter stoppages that require quite a lot of torque in order to get out. We have two heads, in addition to two main types of closet augers. The first would be a standard head. And the second would be similar to what we have on this T6FL. It's a down head. It actually bends, it allows it to go around, bends a little bit easier, and has a hook on the end to enable it to grab onto any obstruction that might be down the toilet and bring it back. So some jobs will work better with a standard head, some jobs will work better with a down head. Okay? So how do these work? Well, first of all, I pull the handle up so that the cable almost disappears up into the tube. You notice that there's some plastic rubber substance at the bottom of it. That's to protect the china of the toilet against the steel cable. So when you're inserting this into the toilet, make sure that you have this positioned so that you don't scratch the china. If you scratch the china, it won't come out. After you get it positioned, then you can use a rotating action to feed the cable down the toilet. And as I said, it is flexible enough to go around all the bends in the back end of a toilet and hit the obstruction. And by twisting, turning, back and forth motion, whatever is necessary, you can unclog almost anything in the back end of a toilet. This is what a professional, a plumber, a drain cleaner, a professional facility maintenance operator or engineer would use when a plunger doesn't work. Okay, that's why you use this. Now, this is the 3-foot version. Most times, this would be enough to get around the back end of a toilet and actually unclog anything in the toilet. But what if the clog is actually a little bit past the toilet after it connects into the pipe? We have an option for that as well, and that is the T6FL. The T6FL actually has an extra 3 foot hidden inside the tube that you can utilize if you need to go further. It works the same way. You start in this position, put the cable down, and if that's not far enough, there's a little button right here on the inner tube. So you press that, pull up until here, it snaps into place. Then you can go an extra 3 feet. This allows you to do more work, allows you to go a little bit further if that is needed for this particular job. So keep in mind the T6FL has one more advantage. If you do happen to harm this cable, if it rusts out or something like that, or it's damaged by acid or something of that sort, it makes it very easy to replace the snake, the 6-foot section here. So you can have this unit and use it in a lot of different situations and make a repair on it if you need to. So the T6FL and the 3FL, closet augers from General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.